What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be unboxing this LG ultra wide 34bk95u-w, I think is what it is. There is another one that's the 34wk, so that one we couldn't pretty much find almost anywhere, but I found this one and I didn't notice any differences like at all. Everything was pretty much the same, so I didn't know any differences between the WK and the BK. The only difference that I found was this one has a 3-year warranty and it's a business model, but other than that I didn't see anything else. It has Thunderbolt 3, it has the 34 inches of screen, so well, let's go ahead and get it unboxed and take a look at it. Yeah, I mean, there's really no difference that I found. I even called V&H just to see if there was any differences, and they pretty much saw everything I saw, just the warranty, 3-year difference in warranty. So we're hoping that that's the only difference. So let's keep going. Here we got the accessories, LG. We got a white power cord, a white USB cable, a Thunderbolt cable that's white, a clip for wire management, display cable, a book with instructions and stuff. We even have an LG CD. That's OG right there. And protect your investment. Don't forget, register. Anything goes bad, you got warranty. So like I said, this one supposedly has a 3-year warranty, which is actually pretty awesome. The other one, the WK, only had a 1-year warranty, so that's a plus for this one. And this one was actually about $250 cheaper on B&H. Pretty awesome actually. So that's another reason why I went with this one. It was in stock and it was cheaper. So here we have the stand. Let's go ahead and open it up. Nice metal stand we got here. Which I'm going to be using it for now, but I have a monitor arm coming, so we're going to switch this here in the future to that monitor arm. So put this to the side here. Take out the phone. Here's the arm that goes into the foot. Oh, this is the arm. That's the stand, the foot. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. So here we have the base, plastic, plastic, plastic. It's not bad. It's pretty heavy, feels pretty sturdy. Let's see what else we got here. Ah, this thing's heavy, slipping. It's slipping out of my hands. So we'll put this to the side over here real quick. Anything else? Cardboard. There's that. Here's the monitor. It's amazing. It's pretty sweet. Nice white back here. It's a 34-inch BK, 34BK. Let's go ahead and put it together real quick. Ah, where'd I put it? There, right. Don't fall. Like that. Slides on there. Give it a little twisty twist. Twisty twist, 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 twist. Good there. Clips here. The monitor pretty much just clips right on here. Let's go ahead and take care of that. here. And there it goes. Just like that. All set. Good to go. Oh, it's heavy. I think it was gonna be this heavy. So here we have USB-C, Thunderbolt, USB 3.0, DisplayPort, 2 HDMI's right here, the AC power in, a USB up, headphones right here, and I think that's it. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Right now we're just going to be using the DisplayPort, so we'll see how that goes. With this computer that I have right here, we're going to be testing it out until my new one comes in. I ordered the MacBook Pro M1. So I'm back real quick just to show you guys. This is what I had before right here. This in Asus. I've had it for about 7 years now. It's a 1080p monitor. I had 3. This is the only one I have left now. I sold the other 2. So this one I'm actually going to keep for the computer that I have here. Once my Mac comes in, my Mac is going to use the new one, and then my PC is going to use this one. This one's going to be for like maybe streaming or something like that I'm thinking of doing here. I'm gonna install that on probably either this area over here or in the other area. I'm gonna get another arm for that, so it'll just be floating over there. This PC is gonna most likely go back down to the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this one. Replace it with the new one. Let's go. Let's go ahead and turn on the PC. Let's see. No signal. So wide. Let's get it. Let's see what we can do here. Pretty awesome. $5120 by $2160. 5120 by 2160. Looks good. Looks good. I have a 970 in here, so it's a pretty old card. Now that we're in the 3000 series, so it's like let's watch some things.
The so.
Whoa. This is awesome. Let's see. 21 by 9.
30+ years of service.
Oh, that's right. That sound's actually coming from the speakers. Forgot it has speakers. I was like, my headphones do not sound that loud. So I was pretty crazy. It doesn't sound too bad.
Only man to shoot down 3 enemy planes in the last 40 years.
It's actually not bad for those kind of speakers. For the internal speakers, let's see.
There was bring together a group of
that they never could.
run from it. Fun isn't something one considers
This is pretty awesome. What else we got?
You told me the story of the war, when the ground shook and the sky burned. Of the ones that survived.
Your very human brain was miraculously intact.
It's the loneliest feeling not to know who you are. And I'll find out for myself.
She's threatening.
Wow, these speakers are like a little surprising.
I need you to destroy her, Alita. They will come for you.
Wow, sorry guys, not talking. I'm enjoying this monitor. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Wow. Okay guys, this thing is pretty amazing. As you can see, I don't know if you saw, but it is pushing the 51, what was it again? 5120? No, I don't remember. Let's see. Yeah, it is running the 5120 by 2160. I am running the NVIDIA GTX 970. This thing is, I don't know, seven years old, more maybe, who knows, but pushing out 5K here, which is pretty amazing. Well, this is a 5K 2K monitor, so take that for what it's worth, I guess. It's 5K, I guess. Well, 5K. But anyways, this thing's awesome. This thing's amazing. It's the 34bk95u-w. Got it on B&H for $1,100, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Compared to the other one, it was $14.99, I think it is. And out of stock, in stock. So thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bells, hit all the things that you need to continue to watch my videos. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.